Julia was a curious and adventurous girl who loved stargazing. She spent most nights looking up the sky, imagining what it would be like to travel through the stars. One night, she saw a shooting star trek across the sky. She closed her eyes and made a wish to go on a journey through the stars. To her surprise, when she opened her eyes, she found herself on a spaceship soaring through space. Julia was amazed and excited. She explored the ship and met the crew, who welcomed her aboard. They explained that they were on a mission to explore a distant star system and invited her to join them on their journey. As they traveled through space, Julia marveled at the stunning sights and learned about the different stars and planets they encountered. They flew past a planet made entirely of ice, another with rings of swirling gas, and one with towering volcanoes. But then the ship encountered a problem. A meteor shower had damaged the engine and they were running out of power. The crew worked hard to try and fix the engine, but it seems like they were doomed to be stranded in space forever. Julia didn't give up hope, though she remembered a lesson she had learned in school about the power of the stars. She suggested that they harness the energy from a nearby star to power the ship. The crew was skeptical, but Julia was determined. She studied the ship's manual and figured out how to use the ship's solar panels to absorb the star's energy and convert it into power. Thanks to Julia's idea and hard work, the ship's engines rolled back to life. They continued their journey, and Julia felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. When they finally arrived back on Earth, Julia felt like she had been on the greatest adventure of her life. She had traveled through the stars, explored new worlds, and saved the day with her ingenuity. She knew that the stars held endless possibilities and couldn't wait to see where her next journey to the stars would take her.